Welcome to my another video about Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 244mm. So today I will show IQ Shield screen protector, how to install it. So this is the protection and it will cost $7.84 US. You will get it from Amazon with this cost, and I will just purchase it on the basis of highest rating. So let us start. And another thing for your information, it's made in USA, you can see here. So let's get it start. So this is the spray for cleaning. This is the instruction how to install. This is the cleaning cloth and squeegee, this one, another two papers, and yes, this is the plastic protection, it's not glass. Okay, so two pairs here. I hope you can see it. So we'll just check first. So I think it doesn't fulfill the whole screen. Okay, let us check. So let us cut. As there is 3 pieces. So this is the cloth for cleaning purpose. There is also logo. So make sure that you have to spray and clean this area to make sure remove the dust. So you can use one part of this cloth. It's not working. So just spray. Do not spray this directly on any device. So now if you want to clean the watch, then you have to spray on the cloth. And we have to also spray on this paper. You can fix it wherever you want because it's moving. So make sure that you have to install it overnight, and after 2 or 3 hours it will fix, or tomorrow morning definitely I will check. I hope this thing will be okay. So yes, it's still moving, and I have to put it from here. Though it's moving, I have to remove the spray. So it will not cover the full screen. I think percentage, if I search 99% cover, so I have to make sure to remove this bubble. And you have to use this squeegee, the bezel especially. Yes, there is another one bubble. It's pretty much easy to remove. Yes, it's fixed now, though if I give the pressure then it will move must. I have to put these things like for 2 or 3 hours. If I keep it 2-3 hours, then definitely it will fix. So this is the thing. It's covered. If I say it's 99% cover on the watch display. So I have to must keep it like 4 or 5 hours. After that it will fix permanently. So this is all for today. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Thank you.